Welcome to Mathtornado. Check out the fastest and most fun calculation game. 3 cards give origin to 3 calculations. A top red one, a middle blue one, and a bottom yellow one. Each in one row. Each row has to be seen separately, and by being able to solve one calculation correctly, a player may put down a card at that space. Shuffle up and deal 5 cards to every player, and place 3 of the number cards onto the table. Let's see a quick example. A red 8, on the left, would solve 8 minus 9 is minus 1. A blue 8, in the blue middle line, would solve 3 plus 8 equals 11. And the yellow line, solve 7 plus 8, with a yellow 15 at the bottom. Hey, great! You had a blue 8 on the middle pile to solve the blue line. The new card changed the other calculations, so start with these numbers over again. This is the tornado that is spinning, and now, we speed up the game. Only 3 spaces may be used to solve the rows. The red line only may be solved on the top left, the blue line only in the middle, and the yellow line only the right bottom. Check these 3 spaces whether you have a solving number on your hand. This will speed up the game immensely. To use more numbers, all numbers in the game are positive or negative, by wish of any player. Sometimes, the game can be stuck, because there is no solving card in any hand. If you can't put down a card, say, check. If all players have checked, all players have to draw 1 card from the draw pile, and the player who checked first draws an extra card open to one of the 3 table piles, without checking this card. A player only holding 1 or 2 cards may jump, what means they may solve any calculation on any pile, but must say what they solve loudly. Mathtornado is a race, so get rid of your cards as fast as possible. Who can play all cards first of all correctly is the winner. This game is challenging for young and old, from the first second to the last. It trains your skill at basic math while creating fun competition. But don't get misled. To win you need quickness and luck too, so that everyone can compete. Mathtornado is a great addition to your homeschooling experience. Loosen up the schedule from time to time and add some reasonable fun. Also in classrooms, this game can motivate kids to compete and to work at their skills. Let gamification do its work. Check out the website at Mathtornado.com to get more information.